Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nurul Ilmi Usfadila. In this presentation, I will discuss about narrative text. First, I will explain about definition of narrative text. Narrative text is a text that contains imaginary stories, fairy tales, or true stories that have been exaggerated. Usually, there is a moral value to be learned at the end of the story. Jadi, naratif teks adalah teks yang berisi tentang cerita khayalan, dongeng, ataupun kisah nyata yang telah dilebih-lebihkan. Biasanya ada nilai moral yang bisa dipetik di akhir cerita. Second, I will explain about the purpose of narrative text. The purpose of this text is to entertain the reader about a story or stories written by the author, and at the same time imply a moral message to be conveyed to the reader. Jadi tujuan dari teks naratif adalah untuk menghibur pembaca tentang suatu kisah atau cerita yang dikarang oleh penulis dan di saat yang sama juga menyiratkan pesan moral yang ingin disampaikan kepada pembaca. Third, I will explain about the generic structures of narrative text. 1. Orientation. In this paragraph, we introduce the core of the story, the characters, the place, as well as the time of the story that we want to write. 2. Complications. In this session, we can write down the conflicts in the story to its climax. 3. Resolution. In this session, we can show the solution or resolution of the exciting conflict. Well, the ending can be happy or sad. However, the author can play this part by providing other problems that make the reader curious. Usually, this curiosity is deliberately raised in the mystery story type. 4. Reorientation. The last part of the narrative text is also optional. As writers, we can provide moral message, suggestions, or lessons in the closing session for readers that come from stories. Then I will explain about the characteristic or language of narrative text. Use past tense, adverb of time, specific character, action verb, and direct speech. Then I will explain to you about example of the narrative text. The Legend of Malin Kundang. Orientation. Once upon a time lived a diligent boy named Malin Kundang. He lived in the seashore with his mother. They were very poor, but they lived quiet and harmonious. This is orientation because in this paragraph introduce the characters, the place, and the time of the story. Selanjutnya, complication. One day, a big ship close to the beach near their village. They asked people to join work in their ship and went to the cross island. Malin Kundang wanted to join with them because he wanted to improve his family's life. But his mother didn't permit him. She worried to Malin. This is complication because in this paragraph, a problem or conflict arises. Selanjutnya, resolution. Malin still keep his argument and finally he sailed with the big ship. This is resolution because in this paragraph the problem or conflict begins to be resolved. Selanjutnya, complication. Several years later, Malin Kundang succeeded and he became rich trader. Then he came to his native village with his beautiful wife. But his wife didn't know Malin's real descent. His happy mother quickly approached Malin and bought a plate of village cake, Malin's favorite. But Malin didn't admit that woman as his poor mother, and then he kicked the village cake which bought by his mother until scattered. This is complication because in this paragraph a problem or conflict arises in the story until the conflict climaxes in the conflict. Selanjutnya, resolution. His mother very broken heart because Malin rebellious to her, who had brought him. Then his mother cursed Malin became stone. This is resolution because in this paragraph the problem or conflict begins to be resolved and there are signs that the story will have a sad ending. Selanjutnya, reorientation and coda. Suddenly the big ship which Malin had was facilitated by a big storm and all of his crewmen rushed aside out. Malin realized that was his fault, the rebellious his mother. He bowed down and became a stone. This is resolution because in this paragraph is a closing that tells the last condition of the character in the story. Then I will explain about the kinds of narrative text. The first is myth. The story tries to explain about the world and how we should react to it. Second, legends. The story told is based on facts, but the characters don't really exist. Third, fables. Stories where the characters are animals but show human-like behavior such as stalking. Dan yang terakhir, fairy stories. Stories that are generally fantasy or full of magic. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.